Now that I've got the metal work done, I'm going to move on to the handle. And this is a piece of scrap ash wood that I've had up in the bin over there. And I'm really not going for anything super pretty. I just want it to feel good when I'm working with it. I just want it to feel really comfortable in the hand. The first thing I'm going to do is drill 3 holes. I'm going to use these to fasten the handle to the metal rake. So I want to drill these holes before I start to shape the handle. I guess I'll space them out nicely. Maybe 1, 2 1/4, and 3 1/2. Now I think that this looks a little heavy and feels a little heavy, so now I'm going to bring the board over to the table saw and resaw it down to just about 7/8 of an inch. Now I'm going to measure up 5 inches from the rake and put a line or a mark on each side of the handle, and then measure down. I think I'll just do it by eye, but about 1 3/4 inches. And this piece of wood measures 2 inches wide, and I want the handle to be about 1.25 inches. So I'll take 3/8 off each side. And now I'll cut this out on the bandsaw. Okay, so I cut all the sharp edges with a roundover bit in the router and then gave the handle a good sanding, and I'm going to finish it with shellac. Shellac's really not the strongest finish for something like this, but we want to use it tomorrow. So really I just want to seal the wood, and then I can come back later and give it a coat or 2 of polyurethane. I drilled through the handle to mark where I want to drill the holes, and now I'm going to bring the rake over to the drill press and drill all the way through. Okay, well that feels pretty good. We're going to put it to the test tomorrow. Hopefully we get a bunch of clams, and I'll let you know how it worked out.
What are called?
Berries.
You can hear it. You can hear it. There it is. I hear it. Go ahead. A little further.
Little further.
You can get it with
Oh, I got a huge one.
That's a big chowder clam.
I haven't got like 20.
Aha!
That's a good one, Olivia.
Oh,
Oh, chowder. That's a big chowder right there.
okay.
Here, put him in here. We'll zip him all up. Ooh, I hear him. I hear him. Get in here, dude. They're in here hot.
Well, they're all over here, Michael.
You know, it is easier when you're just on the sand without the water. That's where the guys who have the baskets
Is that right?
go into deeper water. I think you miss a lot this way. Nice. Alright, let's not forget we got this little guy here.
So did you catch, when did you catch this?
This was caught on Friday, day before Halloween.
Nice.
Today's Tuesday.
And we're gonna eat it raw.
Yeah, still perfectly. I mean, you could smell it. If you guys smelled this, you could see it's perfectly raw. So
Wow.
this is striped bass. It was lean, not a lot of fat on it, because these fish, they're still migrating. If you see a fish that's been eating a lot, it's gonna have a lot of red. That's the fat. This
Okay.
is, you see how white this is? It's
Yeah.
totally lean. That means they're kind of migrating and not settled in and eating anything yet. So you could try it. I like to try it without first.
Without salt?
Yeah, without anything, just pure. Try it out. Tender. So if you have it the first day, it's tough, like rubber, because the flesh is so. I guess you're just tensed up. But once it rests a little bit, see how tender that is?
You like it, Michael?
Not what I was.
I think it's good.
Better, right? Oh no!
That's an egg corn.
So scary.
I can't believe we haven't gotten hit by one of those yet.
Well, when I was welding the other day, they were falling like crazy when we were over here.
Let's open it
Check
up.
this out.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at that.
Ooh, that is.
That
Striped
looks
bass in there.
striped bass, clams we just got today.
Ooh, look at this guy. He's already
He's a big one.
leaking up. We're gonna try that. That's a chowder.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to try
See
that.
how tender and tough it is.